Hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I will be decorating and cleaning in the entry as well as the dining room. I will also be sharing some tips on how to make your space look and feel brighter. I will be using basic products for today's cleaning, and I'm sure you have most of these products already in your cleaning closet. This is not a sponsored video, so I will not be going into detail about any of the products, so use whatever you have on hand to get the job done. So here in the entry, I like to start at the top and work my way down. So that means starting at the chandelier and ending with cleaning the floors. So my first tip for making your space look and feel brighter is to clean my light bulbs. You will be surprised at how much brighter your space will look just by cleaning your bulbs. I like to use the microfiber cloths to wipe off any of the debris, or if the bulbs have a little buildup on them, I will spray a little bit of window cleaner on the cloth, just enough to make it damp, not wet, and then wipe off any residue that may accumulate on the bulbs. And that brings me to tip number 2. I like to use daylight bulbs. I like to use daylight bulbs all around my home to make it much brighter. And you can find daylight bulbs anywhere that they sell light bulbs. It feels like you're bringing the outside in your home. So if you have dark areas in your home, these bulbs will help to lighten and brighten your space. So tip number 3 is using mirrors in your space. They make your space look and feel a lot brighter. Mirrors reflect light, and especially when they are near a door or a window. And you definitely want to keep all of your mirrors clean. Okay, so tip number 4 is to make sure your windows and your glass doors are clean so that the bright sunshine can clearly shine through the glass. Okay, tip number 5 is also about windows, but this time it's about removing the screens from your windows. The dark mesh has a way of making your room look darker, as well as placing a film over your clean windows and prohibiting you from seeing a beautiful clear view. Okay, so tip number 6. We are still at the window, but this time we are talking about curtains. So extend your curtains as close to the window trim as possible without exposing the trim to allow as much light to pour into the room as possible. Now, my last tip is for making your space look brighter is to decorate with less furniture and decor. Now this is hard for me to do, but when I do, I always feel a sense of peace and calmness. So that's it for the tip, guys. Now stay tuned as I share a few decorating ideas that you can use that will for sure make your space look and feel brighter. So I want to thank you all for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up button, share and comment if you can, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye-bye.